Hey guys, so recently I solved this heating issue which I had on my 350 Bullet. I was struggling with it for quite some time. I changed the top valve rockers of it and I realized that we were leaking compression through the tapered setting case. So we had used this paper packing in which we had recently built this engine, and my friend noticed it as soon as he saw it in video that the compression was coming out of the tapered covers, which is not normal and which I didn't realize at that time. So we replaced the head packing with a copper gasket. So I'm hoping that this was the issue, that the compression was going back into the engine, which is for sure not good because it needs to come out of the silencer. And that's why the overheating. The reason we didn't put the copper packing before because it was not available in shops. This is now after the fix. So yet I need to set the carburetor a bit quick. Still the bike is not set properly. We have to run it for some time and again set the traffic. And so let's see next time. I'm hoping to change the carburetor because I'm getting some idling issues. So I'll be changing the carburetor next time. And let's see if that figures out the idling thing. As I showed you in the previous video, I cracked the threads. So luckily I had another one to put it. So this is the carburetor which I'll be putting on the bike. It's my old carburetor. I put a new carburetor and I don't know if that is the issue. Or maybe I'll just put the original filter back on. See you next time. Peace.